So for our last module of mdInfinity, we have FORMap, so fast ortho mapping. In the previous modules, we've been talking a lot about LiDAR. And at Microdrones, we believe that this technology has really put some pressure, it's pressed photogrammetry to step up its game. And the main advantage of LiDAR is to get fast results. So the approach we took for photogrammetry piece is to produce fast results as well. So FORMap is the Microdrone's fast photogrammetric workflow. It is made for jobs where the highest accuracy orthophoto is not needed, but really more efficiency is needed. Gain of time is needed. So in general, UAV data is very accurate, but sometimes it is not as important for the user to get that hyper accurate results. So for certain jobs, the data is sometimes just too much, and the time to process the data takes too long. So the main advantage when using FORMap is that it's fast and easy to use. This module, this is really what brings you in comparison to other photogrammetric softwares that you may know in the market. So FORMap, how it really works and what it takes advantage is on the direct georeferencing Microdrones technology, which enables it to process the data faster than any other photogrammetric software. The accuracy or resolution you're looking for will, of course, define how fast you want to create the orthophoto or your DSM. So for a low resolution orthophoto around 10 centimeters, this process can take in FORMap around only 15 to 20 minutes. And for a higher resolution deliverable with standard settings, up to 2 to 5 centimeters, it would take still half the time of softwares like Pix3D or UAS Master. It would just be slightly less accurate, but the gain of time is really impressive. So either option you're looking for, either resolution you're looking for, I can assure you, you will gain lots of time. So here is a perfect example of how we can see FORMap module in practice. So in the left side, you can see the results of what was done using FORMap module from our mdInfinity tool software, where it only took around 15 minutes to produce this orthophoto with a GSD of 3.3 centimeters. So really, it's amazing what we can do in such a few time, right? And then if you use other softwares, other photogrammetric tools, having the same result, this is an experiment we did, took us around an hour and a half to produce exactly the same orthophoto with a slightly better resolution, but still it does the job in a perfect way and way less time. For example, as you see here, we have lots of our clients in surveying, construction, mining. So for example, for a mine surveyor or a quarry manager that needs to take quick decisions on the spots or in emergency situations, FORMap is really the answer. As you saw, the reduction of time in processing is really amazing. But if you're doing a surveying project where maybe you don't have to use a 15-minute process, you can improve your resolution by taking a little bit more time. It will still and it will always be at least half of the time of the results and the time we spend on other third-party software.